Hi and welcome to Draft Talk TV.
You'll see our global effort is making strides. And with third quarter projections, we'll see
Blah, blah, blah. I just want to check into my hotel.
on page 104.
I hope I get a king-size bed.
I hope I can get a drink.
Get a massage.
Watch a funny movie.
Or go for a swim.
Snacks.
Scented candles.
Zombie movie.
Chart.
Don't just hope. Know what you're really booking when you book. AccorHotels.com.
Headlines this week. Tourism Minister launches the Visit Kerala Initiative 2015.
I think Kerala has got a lot of potential for this tourism.
Part of this campaign, our Kerala Tourism giving some packages to tourists.
The Great Indian Travel Bazaar opens in Jaipur on April 19th. Munich launches a new tourism logo. Travel Tag Covermore plans to launch its global SIM in India.
It's a SIM card which you can roam anywhere in the world. The call charges are extremely low compared to what you would pay to your telecom provider here in India.
Hyatt Hotels and Resorts organizes a Mice and Leisure roadshow. The Ministry of Tourism holds a meeting with states and union territories for formulating the new national tourism policy.
The chief secretaries and representatives from UTs and all the states have gathered together for a 2-day conference to have deliberations and discussions on the issues related to tourism.
Bahrain government says that maximum e-visas are issued to Indian tourists. Air India launches codeshare with Adria Airways.
Travel to Slovenia from India and vice versa from Slovenia to India is going to be faster and cheaper.
Well, this is definitely a great opportunity for us to expand our business in Europe.
Lama Tours held a 4-city roadshow in India.
The roadshow is basically focusing on outbound business out of India to the UAE, and we've got about 20 co-participants with us.
Roadshows are an important platform for communication between the Indian travel trade and the principals, such as in this particular case, it is the Lama Roadshow, along with the hoteliers from Dubai.
For more information on this news, watch our detailed capsule on TravTalkTV.com.